Get out your art supplies. We're going to be drawing a pumpkin using the number 2. And here's what it'll look like when it's done. Welcome to Art Expedition. We're glad you're here. Are you ready? I hope you are. Pencils, pens, markers, or crayons up? Let's begin. We'll start by putting our number 2 towards the top and middle of the page and slightly curve the bottom of the 2, like that. We'll put a dot at the bottom of the page to help guide us to where the bottom of the pumpkin will be. To make the body of the pumpkin, we'll be using curved shapes that look kind of like C's and reverse C's. We'll draw a reverse C on the right, going down a little below the dot and then coming up to touch it, just like that. And then a C shape going the opposite direction, below and then back to that point. Then we'll add 2 more reverse C shapes, slightly smaller than the other one, on the right hand side. 1, and now for the second, number 2, like that. Like that. Next, we'll thicken our stem by putting a curved line right alongside that too, touching and then coming down, and then we'll use a diagonal line to attach it to the pumpkin like that. And finally, to complete our pumpkin, we're going to put 2 curved lines going behind that stem. One there, and one there. And now we're done. And so, with the number 2, we've drawn a pumpkin. How'd you do? You can also color your pumpkin if you like. Here's my version. Thanks for drawing with us. We hope you've had fun. For Art Expedition, I'm Kevin Van Norman. What will you create?